Hello students, today we are going to learn operations on real number. Under that I am going to teach you addition, subtraction, division and multiplication of rational and irrational numbers. So let us start with few examples. Here we have first example to add 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3 and 2 root 2 minus 3 root 3. So let us rearrange the numbers. Can you see the similarities in the numbers? Here we have root 2 with this and root 2 here. So we will rearrange 2 root 2 plus root 2 plus 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3. Now to understand in a better way, I will teach you in such a way. See, now listen, it is an old technique. Suppose assume that you have 2 root 2's in your pocket and somebody give you 1 root 2, then it becomes 3 root 2. And here similarly you have 5 root 3's in your pocket and somebody takes 3 root 3's, then the remainder will be 2 root 3's in your pocket. Now this has root 2 and this has root 3, so further we cannot add. So this will be your final answer. Now let us see the multiplication. Here we have multiplication of root 6 root 5 into 2 root 3. Remember, you need to multiply rational number with rational number and irrational number with irrational number. So 6 and 2 are rational numbers. 6 2s are 12 and root 3 into root 5 becomes root 15. This is your final answer. Let us now divide 8 root 15 divided by 2 root 3. To learn in an easy way, I expand root 15 into root 3 and root 5 upon 2 root 3. See, 2 1s are 2 4s are. 3 root 3 cut is equal to root 4 root 5 is our final answer. Now let us take the example of simplification. Here we have 5 root 7. We have two brackets of that. To multiply the first bracket with the second bracket, I will select first bracket and write 2 times 5 root 7. And here with the second bracket, I use first digit 2 and the second digit plus root 5. So 2 will be multiplied with both 5 and root 7, and again root 5 will be multiplied with 5 and root 7. Let us multiply. These two numbers are rational. 5 and 2 are rational, so multiplication is possible. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 and root 7 is irrational. 2 is rational and root 7 is irrational, so multiply is not possible. Here root 5 and 5 both are different. Root 5 is irrational and 5 is rational, so multiplication is not possible. 5 root 5. Again root 5 and root 7 both are irrational, so multiplication is possible. We'll get the answer 7 5s are 35, so root 35. Further we cannot add the numbers, so this will be our final answer. Again let us take one more example. This is root 3 plus root 7 the whole square, which resembles a plus b the whole square, which has the identity is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so here a is root 3 and b is root 7. We'll use the identity and write root 3 whole square plus 2 into root 3 into root 7 plus root 7 the whole square. So now root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. Remember, root 3 squaring of any root will become the whole number. Root 3 into root 3 will become 3 plus here we have rational number 2 and irrational number 3 and 7. So we will multiply root 7 with root 3. So 2 root 21 plus we have again root 7 the whole square, which becomes 7. Now we have two rational numbers and one irrational number. 7 and 3 is rational number, so addition is possible. 7 plus root 3, sorry, 7 plus 3 is 10 plus 2 root 21. This is our final answer. Last example, root 11 minus root 7 into root 11 plus root 7, which is equal to a minus b, a plus b, which gives us a whole square minus b whole square. Okay, so let us assume a is root 11 and b is root 7. So let us put it into the identity. Root 11 whole square plus, sorry, minus root 7 the whole square. Root 11, as I mentioned earlier, root 11 squaring of any root will become the whole number. Root 11 into root 11 will become 11, and root 7 into root 7 will become 7. So 11 minus 7 will get 4, and this is our final answer. Now let us see the rationalization of denominators. You can see the rationalize of the denominator of 1 by 2 plus root 3. Here we have 2 plus root 3 as a denominator. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to multiply the same denominator with opposite sign. With the numerator and the denominator. 2 minus root 3. Remember, see here, I am using the opposite sign upon 2 minus root 3. Now, we have 2 minus root 3 multiplication multiplied by 1, which will give us the answer 2 minus root 3. But here 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. Let us write 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. Now this gives us an idea of the identity. 2 minus root 3 upon, see here, 2 whole square minus root 3 whole square. This is equal to a plus b, a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. Again, 2 minus root 3 upon square of 2 is 4 minus root 3 into root 3 will give us 3. So basically 2 minus root 3 upon 1, which gives us the answer 2 minus root 3. This is our final answer. So our denominator, our number does not have the irrational number as a denominator. We have a rational number, that is 1, as a denominator in this. Okay. Now let us take one more example, that is 5 upon root 3 minus root 5. See the denominator, root 3 minus root 5. So I am going to multiply the denominator with the numerator and the denominator with the opposite sign into root 3 plus root 5 upon root 3 plus root 5. So in numerator we have 5 into root 3 plus root 5, and in denominator root 3 whole square minus root 5 whole square, that is root 3 minus root 5, root 3 plus root 5, which is equal to root 3 whole square minus root 5 whole square, which is equal to a minus b, a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. Let us now solve further. 5 into root 3 plus root 5 upon root 3 into root 3, which will be equal to 3, minus root 5 into root 5 will be equal to 5. So we will get here 5 root 3 plus root 5 upon minus 2, which is equal to minus 5 root 3 plus root 5 upon 2. This will be our final answer, or you can write in this way: minus 5 root 3 minus 5 root 5 upon 2 is also the correct answer. Now let us take one more example, that is 1 upon 7 plus 3 root 3. We have denominator 7 plus 3 root 3. Again we will multiply its numerator and denominator with the denominator having the opposite sign. 7 minus 3 root 2 upon 7 minus 3 root 2. 1 into 7 minus 3 root 2 gives 7 minus 3 root 2 upon. Again we have a plus b, a minus b, which gives us a whole square minus b whole square. Now let us see the denominator. 7 square, 7 sevens are 49. Here now see, we have 3 whole square and root 2 whole square. So here I am going to teach you 3 into 3 into root 2 into root 2, right? 3 square means 3 into 3 and root 2 square means root 2 into root 2. Now 3 3s are 9, root 2 into root 2, 2, 9 2s are 18. So we have 18 as the answer of 3 root 2. Here directly you can solve. 3 3s are 9 and root 2 into root 2, 2. 9 2s are 18. Now I will solve 7 minus 3 root 2 upon 49 minus 18 gives us 21. Am I correct? 31. Okay. 7 minus 3 root 2 upon 31 is our final answer. Now let us see the laws of exponents for real number. You must have studied a to the power m into a to the power n becomes a to the power m plus n. So we'll add, if the base is same, we'll add the powers. Now again, a to the power m divided by a to the power n. Here the base is same, so we will subtract when it is division. Here a to the power m to the power n. So both the powers will be multiplied. A to the power m into n. And the last a to the power m and b to the power m. Here powers are same, but the base are not equal. So we'll combine the base multiplication of a into b to the power m. Okay, now let us take few examples. Here to solve, here find the value of 64 to the power 1 by 2. Remember, if the power is 1 by 2, then remember that it is a square root. Okay, so don't just find the square root, do the proper method. 64 to the power 1 by 2 means, remember, if the denominator of the fraction is 2, means it is the square of some number. Okay, remember, what is the denominator of the power? 1 by 2 has a fraction, has a denominator 2. That means 2 means 64 is some number square. So remember, which number square is 64? Yes, 8 square is 64. So 8 to the power 2 whole power 1 by 2. So our answer is 8. You can also solve 8 to the power 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 8 to the power 2 by 2 is 8 to the power 1, which gives 8, the final answer. Let us take one more example. Here 125 to the power 1 by 3. What is the denominator of a fraction? 3. Yes, 3 means 125 is some numbers cube. So which number cube is 125? Let us see. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. Yes. So cube of 5 is 125. Again, 5 into 5 to the power 3 into 1 by 3. 5 to the power 3 by 3. 5 to the power 1 is equal to 5. 5 is our final answer. So 1/3 power of 125 is 5. Let us take one more example, that is 32 to the power 2 by 5. Now the denominator of the power is 5. Remember, if it is 5, then 32 is some numbers to the power 5. So let us check. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Yes, 2 to the power 5 is 32. So I will write 2 to the power 5 whole power 2 by 5. Again, 2 to the power 5 into 2 by 5. 2 to the power 2, which comes to 4. Our final answer is 4. One more example, that is 125 to the power minus 1 by 3. Remember, here the power is negative. So the final answer we will reciprocate the final answer. Now let us see 125 to the power minus 1 by 3. The denominator is 3. So 125 is some numbers cube. Let us see. It's 5 whole cube to the power minus 1 by 3. 5 to the power 3 into minus 1 by 3. 5 to the power minus 1, which gives us the answer 1 by 5. It is the final answer. Now let us see few examples of simplification based on the law of exponents. Now see 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 5. We'll use this rule. The base is same. So 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Here simple addition. That is, we need to add 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. We need to take the LCM. So LCM is 15. 5 3s are 3, 5s are 5 and 3. We get 2 to the power 5 to the 10 by 15 plus 3 by 15. It gives us 13 by 15. This is our final answer. 2 to the power 13 by 15. The last question here we have 11. 1 by 2 upon 11, 1 by 4. So, the greater fraction 1 by 2, 1 by 4 will go to 1 by 2. That is, smaller fraction will go to the bigger fraction. 11, 1 by 2 as it is in divide. So, the powers are subtracted. 1 by 4. Let us take an example 2 and 4. The LCM is 4. Let us take the LCM 2 into 2. Into 1 into 1. 11. 2 by 4 minus 1 by 4. 11 to the power 1 by 4. This is our final answer.